Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm doing a Halloween display. I was looking on Etsy for ideas on what I could make, and I found this really good one with a link right up here to show us. It's like I started off by quickly doing up the plans, and I think we will just cut this out on the bandsaw. This is also be a good one to use the scroll saw on, go through my scrap bin and see what we can find. I'm hoping to use this piece. I know I've got a few nail holes in it. I'm hoping after I cut this tree out that the tree actually missed all the nail holes. Might be wrong, but there's only one way to find out. That's what we're going to start off with. So I am just doing like this, so there's a bit of extra around. Then I think we can miss that one and miss that one. So yeah, I think there will be just right. If we wanted to, we could turn it very slightly, which would also make sure we completely miss it. So I think we'll do that for the tree. So at least the tree's sorted. The pumpkin needs to be cut straight, so we can put them both together. The straighten and jig will come out for that. If you haven't seen how I built that, I'll leave a link to the video below. When using spray adhesive, can be a pain to clean off afterwards. So if you want to sort of not have to do that bit of sanding, I recommend taping whatever you are about to spray against. So that way all you need to do is just, whatever you do will just peel straight off. So that's plus about that. That's those two stuck up. And while we're here, we might as well get the string and jig out and cut these two bits, so then we can actually get these two glued together as well. There's that done. Just need to glue them together. And then we can then attach this. Then we can get that cut out as well. To glue these, I'm going to use a bit of wood glue and then a bit of super glue. So the wood glue will make it go strong, while the super glue will give it a quick clamp to hold it in place while the glue goes off. And then I'm hoping to then be able to still cut this out, so it shouldn't really give us too much of an issue. There you go. That will go off nicely, and I don't think us cutting will cause too much of an issue. So we will quickly take this up, get this ready to cut as well, and then we will head over to the bandsaw. Not bad. Now, time to paint. And now finished painting and everything. Ghost just needs some black eyes now. I'm thinking this paint marker should do the thing. We're kind of bled slightly. Maybe that wasn't the best of plans. Got a black Sharpie, let's try that. I think that's better. And base on the tree. Not the best of faces, doesn't look as spooky as I would like, but you can see what I'm getting with this. So we're just going to put a little bit of glue on the bottom of it, because end grain sucks the moisture out of the glue pretty quickly. If you put some on to start off with, so then you can top it up before you glue it on, so that way it doesn't suck all your glue out. What do you think? It is now complete. This is a really easy build, as you saw, just using a bit of scrap wood. So what do you think? You could really personalize this. You could go down route of including how many ghosts, how many a family has, how many kids they have in their family, and so you can make it longer. You could even include pets if you really wanted to come up with a design for an animal. But yeah, so I think I'm just going to put something like whoever the family certainly is, like the Smith family along the bottom. Just going to use the cry cut and vinyl it on. You could use stencils or paint it, hand paint it, or whatever you want. So that is something else you could do to improve this if you want to go that much step further, and then hopefully make some money from this. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I have queued up another video on making more Halloween decor right here for you. And if you enjoy this Etsy build breakdown videos I'm doing, I've put a playlist together right here for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.